to downtown.
Hi, Birdie. What are you doing?
I'm coming.
Coming in here?
Yeah, it's a little dirty.
Yeah, it is a little dirty, huh? I don't really know what I'm doing.
Going.
You're out of here. You're driving us away.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Where are we going?
I'm helping Auntie.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that.
I'm sad I have to.
Me too.
I love you. I wish I could stay with you
I know, one
and
day.
record the video.
I know. You'll have to come back.
I will.
I'm not sure it's gonna look great. I do hope I'm doing this right. I feel like you can't really do it wrong, but I maybe should have at least watched a video. But it's so damn beautiful to share a space with a complete stranger. So I'm having this fear all of a sudden that when I go to wire my puck legs, I'm not going to be able to do it right. I'm going to mess up and I'm going to have to take my ceiling and walls down to rewire it. But now that I'm covering all my screws with this, that'll suck. That'll be really hard to take down. Could you imagine if I had to redo everything I've done because I don't know how to wire? Because I refuse to do research? I'd hate if that happened. Okay, I think it's about to start storming, but I got most of the putty in, but my friend Connor is about to come over and he's gonna help me get my puck legs wired. So hopefully we're good and we do not have to take down the ceiling or the walls and it's fine and we figure it out, I hope. Once that's done, I'm gonna be so grateful. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Thanks, Connor. Okay, I should like get this cleaned up for him. I have wires behind here for this switch, but I can't really remember like if I'm gonna hit metal or not. Like here I don't. So maybe I just go there. And right at 2.5.
So that's the fan.
That's the fan.
So then,
And then there's a
do we have a wire for a light?
somewhere.
I don't feel one. Ideal.
See, all my fears are coming true.
Oh,
I found it.
I found it. It's underneath the duct. I can feel it. Right?
I'm such a goofball.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. We can just cut that out. That's not the thing.
Good. Now these don't kill me. I moved it back a little bit, but I felt like I had black. But this could be taped too. Surely not.
So then I'm assuming that this is the one. This runs straight over there to the switch, and this runs for these two lights. Maybe it runs for all four. I don't know where. I like that there's painter's tape on here as if it were labeled, and it just is
It's
not.
not at all. Oh my god, you're so brilliant. You're sure he did so much more than I did. I was scared to even try to do that.
Okay, we have wires at every hole.
Okay. That's a plus.
That is a good first step, I feel
Okay.
like.
Now, do we know which wires are which again? Well, you can test it. No, you can't, can you?
Okay. Yes. The way you do that is I have a multimeter, and then, so if we take
That out.
this end, oh,
Oh!
hey,
Look
well, that's
at
labeled
you.
switch, which we know already, right? What about this one? Is this one labeled something? Lights. Hey, so this one goes up there. I might test that anyway. So this is wire coming from our battery, wiring it to the input side of this. So for wire nuts, the most important thing is you want these to be at the same length
Okay.
right there, and then you just shove them on the end,
So positive and negative.
twist them forever.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and then now that let's
It's good to just hang there?
let's put these up and see and just verify that we get 12 volts over here and make sure the switch works and everything.
Look how great my printer is.
That one's not great. That one could be better.
Maybe a hazard.
So now the next phase in this is we're putting these lights up.
Yep.
So
Okay.
yep. And so this one will just go, so the wire that's just red will go to the wire that's red on here, and the wire that's red and black will go to the wire that's white. And so on this one it'll just connect like that, and that's it.
Okay.
On all of these, then it will connect, yeah, we'll cut those wires and it'll connect to both. So it'll be 3 wires in each wire nut instead of just 2 on this one. Because this is the end of the string, but you gotta have it pass through to get to the next light. Get over.
I don't know if that made sense yet, but it will. Better?
Yeah, that's fine. We also don't need this much here. So yeah, that one works. And then we gotta put, just do that for the other ones, and then pop them into the ceiling.
Oh my god. This is a lot easier than I think it was. Thank you.
Yeah, this isn't,
Thank you for helping
Lighting
me
is
even though
pretty
I was
simple.
scared. Ooh, I think it's working. I'm in love. I love to see it. I went by and I saw it. They just started it last week. But hey, Mom.
What you doing?
Hanging out with Connor.
Hi, Connor.
how's it going?
Good, sweetie. How are you?
Doing
He's
well.
helping me do my lights.
Oh, good. I didn't want her to get electrocuted, so that's good. All right. Maybe later you can run to Kroger for me. I think we need ice.
Got one more, and then just pop them in the ceiling.
How he says that. One more. Then just pop them in the ceiling.
He's
Pop
like,
them
no
in.
big deal.
Right.
Yeah. We're over here like,
The
what?
man-made light. The man-made light. It's no big deal.
That's Mom.
Anything that's not an IPA, I'm cool.
Michelob or Heineken?
Huh? Yeah,
your
really
preference?
could go either way. It doesn't
Really up
matter.
to you.
Whatever you want less, you give to me.
Feeding you the Michelob.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
That's a lot of light, too.
Ooh, and it for real dims.
Yeah, that was the
It's
thing I was
bright.
worried about, was the dimming. Because some LEDs hate to be dimmed.
Really?
Yeah, some of them flicker and lose their minds when you try to dim them.
So good. So lucky. I wish I could get my hair shampooed. Real bad. How often do you shampoo your hair?